diversion revoked on those Rutherford County charges? What are your thoughts?
Well, actually, the diversion was revoked based upon the allegations associated with the weapons possession in Knox County and the events that occurred on or about December 17th and 18th. What we did learn was that the state was aware of the Rutherford County situation and actually had been reporting and was last seen on December 15th, 2015.
So moving forward, what are you hoping happens? I know you've got a preliminary hearing downstairs, you've got a sentencing hearing up here.
Well, the big thing that we wanted to do today was get as much information as we could from the state. The state has been somewhat coy given the fact that he's only been charged with a felon in possession of a firearm. So we were interested in getting as much information as we could from the state's witness, particularly Investigator Loeffler, relative to what they found, understanding that we have no if you will, scientific results or anything indicating that Mr. Bassett did anything. Only thing that we have are naked statements from Officer Loeffler.
So what did you learn today from the testimony?
Well, I learned that they took a boy from a scene in which his cousin was brutally murdered in front of him, and for which the officer testified he was visibly upset, placed him in a windowless room for at least, by their report, 3 hours. And the investigation took longer than that, so I would say somewhere between 5 and 7 hours. And at some point in time, there's some sort of a statement elicited. You know, I think it's disingenuous to indicate that if an individual is a victim of a crime that they're transporting him down to KPD. He was certainly being transported as a suspect. He wasn't free to leave, and he's not Mirandized until many hours later. So I think that causes some real concern about the state's viable use of any statements that were taken from Mr. Bassett.